guys. Somebody called in. All right, all clean. All clean, Ivin. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna show them how we do the fastener, okay, Ivin? So basically what I'm gonna do is actually get a better angle from right here. So I use one of these nails as a 1/8 of an inch spacer. Watch out, I move. Come over here, stand over here. Stand over here. So we're gonna use this as a spacer. Alright. Do another one over here. Ivin, move out the way. See, so now we have our 1/8 of an inch gap. And what we're gonna do is gonna do a pilot drill this. Make sure that everything's fit, nothing has changed. Everything's fit tight. Yep. Ivin, watch out. Watch out, Ivin. Real pilot hole. Quarter inch. Get up. 1.25 inches.
1.25 inches.
Screw screws.
A screwdriver.
Okay.
Turn it and then
So now we're gonna do the whole thing.
whole big thing.
Ivin, you're gonna help Daddy, okay?
Okay. Ow.
Excuse me. Okay, right here. You're gonna help Daddy. Come on. Okay.
Okay, now we start at the finish. When we finish, you guys can go up on here. I choose the Spider-Man. I choose the Spider-Man Spider-Man bed.
Yeah.
I choose the Spider-Man bed, guys. Doing up the shot and the shit and the shot and the shot. See? Every day it's shot. Here, my daddy.
Ivin, can you give me the square ruler right there? Oh, where's the marker, Ivin? Where's the marker? What did you do with the marker?
Where's the marker with?
Oh, I got it.
Oh!
Joke's on you.
Where it came from?
I love you, Ivin.
Where that came from, Daddy?
Oh, it came from my pocket.
Oh, that's magic!
That's magic.
Oh!
Dude, no, you gotta look at all my stuff. You gotta look at all my stuff, boy.
Oh!
Oh, no.
Nice
Okay, Ivin,
stop.
get up, get up, get up. Okay, give Daddy the square ruler.
Huh?
Give me the square ruler.
I will.
Give me the square ruler.
It's a little bit heavy, Daddy. Daddy, what do you think you're doing? Mm. Mm. Oh. 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 Ching, 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 ching. Yeah. Put it up in here. Little boy. Daddy, you did you make a fail?
Excuse me.
I can get it out for you.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Ivin.
Get it out for
There's
you.
an item there. Right here. Excuse me. Excuse me, Ivin.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
So what I did was,
You draw the
I know where the frame, where the little rafter pieces I cut was right there. I know exactly where it's at. So I marked it right there. And that's what the screw is right here. So this is the middle of that
This-
board.
It's a tape, guys.
It is a tape. We're gonna need that tape.
And we're gonna need this tape and a little bit, okay, guys?
Little bit, guys.
Watch this. Where did my blow?
Why did you do that?
Ready? Where's go?
Basically, I'm just gonna draw the line so I know where I put the screws. So I know that is exactly in the center of that stud.
Yeah, that stud means it doesn't mean it goes straight all the way over here. It doesn't mean it does. Need a screwdriver then. Oh, there you go. Found it.
Okay.
It's out of here.
So again, we still start from the top. Excuse me. No. Ivin.
Take it
No.
out of here.
Take it out.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Okay. So we start drilling some pilot holes. Yeah.
Cheerily flying hole, okay?
Pilot holes.
Ready, guys? Set, go.
Ivin, be careful with splinters, okay, Ivin?
Huh?
Be careful with splinters.
Center.
Splinter.
Center. What does that mean? Ow. Guys, this is so sharp.
Okay, Ivin, you want to help Daddy with the drill?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And drill. That's good. You only want to countersink just enough. Okay. Right now, right here. One more time. Done. Okay, now let's drill this on.
done, guys.
Right here. Put it into the thing. Oh, yeah.
Oh, can I go over?
Okay, watch out. Watch out.
Be very careful with it. Oh. Okay, guys. You guys can go in here. Buy a bed for everybody.
For everybody?
Yeah, it's buy a bed for everybody.
So everybody's gonna go on vacation with us?
Yeah. Guys. Everybody's gonna be vacation on us. Because every time they went to our house. Remember?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they buy a bed for them.
Buy a bed for them because they're coming to our house?
No, but we need to wait for Remember and Uncle Tony and everybody. Dude.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, good.
Is everything?
All right. Okay. Come on, get up, right here. Get up. Watch out.
No, fell.
Okay, right here. In the center. It's right here. Okay. So right here, Ivin. Watch out. Okay. Center over here. Okay, that's good. Right here. Okay, that's good. Let's put it right here. Okay, that's good. Don't push it. Okay, right here. Okay, ready? Yeah, go. Okay.
Okay.
And we're gonna be right here.
Right here at the stop sign.
No, actually right here.
Actually, right to the back one, guys.
Okay. You got a splinter? Okay. How'd you get the white stuff on you?
Sure.
How'd you get the marine caulking on you?
What? What you mean?
What do you mean? That's exactly what I mean. How'd you get the caulking on you?
Oh man.
Đây này, qua đây nè.
Huh?
Để tay đây này. Đây này. Get up here. You got the marine caulking on you. Show the people your hands. Show them what you did. Yep. You made a mess.
Made a mess on my hand.
You made a mess on your hand. Okay.
How can I get it out, Daddy?
Get it out.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to scrub it out, buddy.
That's out how to do this.
Okay. Excuse me, Ivin. Get up. Get up.
I'll help you. Ready, Daddy?
Okay.
Ready, Daddy? Ready, Daddy?
Oh.
You doing that?
I did that. Sorry.
No, you don't need to. Dad, you don't need to say sorry, Daddy.
I don't need to say sorry.
No,
Why not?
because every time you say that, that means it's bad.
Saying sorry is not bad.
Sorry is bad.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Saying sorry is not bad. Saying sorry means you feel bad about something. You're trying to make it right. And you say sorry, but you can't abuse. Just can't abuse sorry. Just can't abuse sorry, buddy. Alright, come on. Wait. Yay.
Department
Ivan.
One right over.
Okay, Ivan, give me. Oh, I got the screws. Okay. All right. So earlier I didn't have enough exterior screws, so I used just regular screws. But now, since we have a lot of extra screws left, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna replace them. So Ivan, can you please give me the screws? Give me the screws.
What screws?
Right there.
This?
No, the screws.
What?
Right there, the screws.
Wait, right?
Excuse me. Excuse me, get up. Can you give me the whole box?
Okay.
Thank you. Can you get the whole box, please? It is so warm. Can you give Daddy the screws? The box?
What box?
I need the box of screws. Give me screws. Yep. Come on.
We're almost done. Yeah.
Don't put it right here, okay, Ivan? Give it to me in my hand, okay? Don't put it right there. Okay, we're almost done.
Yeah. We're almost done, guys.
Yep.
And we need to pay for my grandma too, guys.
Yeah, we gotta go to Grandma's house and play, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, guys.
Because,
I actually need to, guys.
because
The
Auntie
guy
is getting.
No, I want you to work here and stay home. The guy said,
Who said that?
camera.
Said what?
The camera.
Camera said that?
Yeah.
When did they say that?
I'm not sure because
Get
we
up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get out. Move out the way.
got the way.
Thank you. Move out the way again. Thank you. Okay, get up.
Okay, right here, Daddy.
Ivan, why'd you put all these screws back in here?
Daddy.
Okay, ready? Watch out, watch out. I can't see nothing.
Ready, Daddy?
Okay, let's come over here and help Daddy.
Ready, Daddy?
Yep. Okay. Here two.
Over here, too. Sao bạn có vào đơn nhiều đơn nhiều. Oh no, you forgot to get this out.
Last one. Yay! We are finished.
We're finished, guys.
Yes, tomorrow we're gonna be putting on the so we're gonna do the window, put it in the max air vent fan, build the wall right here for the bathroom and the kitchen.
Bathroom and kitchen.
And we are done.
We are finished.
See you guys in the next video.
See you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Are we gonna do it again?
No.
You're tired?
No, I'm not tired. We're not doing it again.